In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export customers on Shopify using a step-by-step guide by LitExtension. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, managing your customer data effectively is crucial for the success of your online store. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin dashboard. This is your command center where you can oversee all the operations of your store. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll have a variety of options available on the left-hand side of your screen. It's a user-friendly interface designed to help you efficiently manage your store. Next, let's focus on the customer data aspect. Locate the Customers tab in the menu on the left. Click on it, and this will take you to an overview of your existing customer list. It's crucial to be familiar with this section as it houses all the information you need about your customers and their interactions with your store. Once you are in the Customers section, you'll see two key options on the right side of your screen: Import and Export. Today we are focusing on exporting first. Click on the Export button. It's typically represented by a small icon that signifies data transfer. This functionality allows you to securely extract your customer data from your Shopify store, enabling you to back it up, analyze it, or transfer it to another platform. After clicking Export, a new window will pop up prompting you to select your export preferences. You can choose to export the current page of customers, all customers, or specific segments. It's recommended to export all your customers for a comprehensive backup. Once you've made your selection, choose the file format that suits your needs. Common formats include CSV or Excel files, which are compatible with most data management tools. Before completing the export process, ensure the settings fit your specific needs. After confirming everything is set to your liking, proceed with the export by clicking the confirmation button. Depending on your choice, Shopify will email you a downloadable link to your file, or it'll automatically download to your device. Handling customer data effectively not only aids in better decision-making, but also enhances your ability to retain and manage customer relationships strategically. Exploring these options on Shopify gives you the leverage to adapt and tailor your marketing initiatives in a way that truly resonates with your audience. In the e-commerce world, staying on top of your customer relationships and data management is not just beneficial, it's essential.